In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your sound output device on your Toshiba desktop, laptop, or tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select sound. Up at the top, you can expand the drop-down where it says choose where to play sound underneath output. And you can select a different speaker listed here. If you don't see your speaker device, you can select the Add Device button right here, and then pair it to your device just by following through the on-screen steps. And you can adjust the volume level right here, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.